Are you ready, children? Let's begin. Some long U words end with UE letters. The sound is U. U. Please repeat, children. U. For example, K, U, K, U, Q, Q. B, U, B, U, blue, blue. G, U, G, U, glue, glue. Q, blue, glue. Great job, children! Some long U words end with UTE letters. The sound is yut, yut. Please repeat, children. Yut. For example, yut, yut, mute, mute. K, yut, K, yut, cute, cute. F, yut, F, yut, flute, flute. Mute, cute, flute. Great job, children! Some long U words end with UBE letters. The sound is yub, yub. Please repeat, children. Yub. For example, T, yub, T, yub, tube, tube. K, yub, K, yub, cube, cube. Tube, cube. Some long U words end with URE letters. The sound is your, your. Please repeat, children. Your. For example, K, your, K, your, cure, cure. P, your, P, your, pure, pure. Cure, pure. Some long U words end with ULE letters. The sound is Yule, Yule. Please repeat, children. Yule. For example, Yule, Yule, mule, mule. Her, Yule, her, Yule, rule, rule. Mule, rule. Some long U words end with OOSE letters. The sound is oos, oos. Please repeat, children. Oos. For example, oos, oos, moose, moose. G, oos, g, oos, goose, goose. Moose, goose. Some long U words end with OL letters. The sound is wool. Wool. Please repeat, children. Wool. For example, wool, wool, cool, cool. Wool, wool, pool, pool, cool, wool. Wool, wool, tool, tool. Wool, wool, school, school. Tool, school. Some long U words end with OOT or OOTH letters. The sound is oot. Oot. Please repeat, children. Oot. For example, oot, oot, boot, boot, boot. Oot, oot, toot, toot, oot, toot. Some long U words end with EW letters. The sound is U. U. Please repeat, children. U. For example, bull, U, bull, U, blue, blue. U, U, new, new. U, U, pew, pew. Blue, new, pew. Fantastic!